In this video, we're going to configure the MobileFirst server to work with our DB2 database. Launch the MobileFirst server configuration tool. Mine is in the IBM MobileFirst Platform Server folder under Shortcuts. You can also launch the tool from the Apps menu on your desktop. From within the tool, I'm going to create a MobileFirst server configuration. I'm going to name this MobileFirst Server. Click OK. Click Next. Select IBM DB2 database and click Next. Enter the hostname, the port number and the path to the driver jar file and click Next. Enter your username and password for your DB2 connection and click Next. The system will validate the username and password. Click Next and select WebSphere Application Server and click Next again. On the Application Server settings screen, choose the Liberty profile that you created earlier. Ensure that the installation directory is correct. The profile selected is Liberty, and the server name is Simple Server. Leave all other defaults and click Next. The Analytics settings screen will appear. Leave the checkbox unchecked and click Save. Then click Deploy. After a few moments, the configuration will be successfully deployed and you should see a message, Build Successful. You will now need to stop and restart the WebSphere Liberty profile. Open a DOS command prompt and go to the C IBM WebSphere Liberty bin directory. Run the following commands: server stop simple server and server start simple server. We're going to verify that the MobileFirst Platform Operations console is up and running. Open a browser and go to the URL. Enter a user ID of admin and a password of admin. You should see the IBM MobileFirst console screen with no deployed applications.